Charles Schwab Financial Tool Full Review. Features, strengths, weaknesses. Links to the product are in the description. Charles Schwab offers a powerful financial tool designed for investors who want in-depth portfolio management, retirement planning, and market research. This tool provides real-time portfolio tracking, goal-based financial planning, advanced investment analysis, and seamless integration with Schwab brokerage accounts. Users can monitor asset allocation, track performance across multiple accounts, and access a suite of research tools to make informed decisions. This platform is ideal for both beginners and experienced investors. For beginners, Schwab offers an intuitive interface, automated investment recommendations, and a comprehensive retirement planning tool. The retirement calculator and personalized financial plan help users set and achieve long-term financial goals. Advanced investors benefit from in-depth stock and ETF research, technical charting tools, and tax-efficient investing strategies. One key feature is the Schwab Portfolio Checkup, which analyzes asset diversification and risk exposure, offering insights to optimize your investments. Additionally, the platform provides access to Schwab Intelligent Portfolios, an automated robo-advisor for hands-free investing. Strengths include its extensive research tools, commission-free trading on stocks and ETFs, and seamless integration with Schwab's brokerage and banking services. The tool also offers top-tier security, including two-factor authentication and fraud protection. Schwab's educational resources, such as webinars and market insights, further enhance user experience, making it a great option for self-directed investors. Weaknesses include limited support for non-Schwab accounts, meaning investors with multiple brokerage accounts may need additional tools for full financial oversight. Additionally, while the platform is feature-rich, some tools, such as advanced options trading and tax optimization, require a learning curve for those new to investing. Overall, the Charles Schwab Financial Tool is an excellent choice for investors who want a robust platform with deep research, strong portfolio management, and seamless Schwab integration. If you're a Schwab customer, this tool is a valuable asset for managing your investments efficiently. If you use multiple brokers, you may need additional solutions for full financial tracking. Check the links in the description to explore Schwab's financial tool and see how it fits your investment strategy.